Most poultry businesses don't struggle because of poor production. They struggle because they can't see what is happening across the business in real time. And as the business grows, that problem grows with it. Think about a typical day. The farm supervisor records mortality. Feed consumption is maintained separately. The hatchery tracks production in another file. Inventory is updated later. Finance works on different numbers. Management receives reports at the end of the day, or sometimes the next day. The result? Everyone is working hard, but no one has a complete picture. When information is delayed, decisions are delayed. Feed costs increase without anyone noticing. Inventory does not always match actual stock. Performance differences between farms are difficult to identify. Planning becomes reactive instead of proactive. And valuable time is spent collecting data instead of acting on it. Modern poultry businesses are moving away from disconnected spreadsheets. Instead, they are connecting breeding, hatchery, broiler, layer, feed mill, inventory, finance, and sales into one integrated platform. With real-time visibility, management can monitor operations, identify issues early, and make informed decisions based on live data, not yesterday's reports. Digital transformation is not about replacing people. It's about giving your team the information they need when they need it. If your poultry business is growing and you are still managing critical operations across multiple Excel sheets and manual reports, now is the right time to rethink your approach. We have covered everything in our latest guide, Poultry Farm Management Software, Complete Guide to Running a Modern Poultry Business. Link is in the description.